This is Abhinandan. October 4th, 2025, Tuesday. For last 3 days there was a holiday. I came from this side. I went to an university here, Frank Link. I went inside, asked them whether they have an English department. Abhinandan here. So when I come out for an evening walk, each time I go in a different area to see life and business over here. So today I came the back side of the room where I stay, and I found my printer. But tomorrow here people carry like this, lot of breads like this. Okay, anyhow, I'll record for 2 minutes of today and 2 or 5 minutes. This is one circle, a main area. I went to the printer, then I wanted to print Spanish slips to see whether it is feasible, because there's a crypto exchange in another city called Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz is like Dubai in Bolivia. It is like Miami and Dubai in Bolivia. Okay, so I'll be going over there. You speak English?
Oh, that's it.
Okay. She was smiling, so I just... So, I came here on that this day. What day? On that Halloween day. Up to the Coca-Cola building I went. Because I've gone to the Coca-Cola manufacturing facility in Atlanta. Okay, where Coca-Cola is manufactured. So, I can't go this side. So what I'll do is just a recording. So then I went to an university and asked them whether they have English department. I told I want to give a talk about what they asked about crypto. Okay, so I don't know. They told send me the details. Some people look very pretty, like this girl who passed by. All the students and all look very pretty. But the old people, the old ladies are there, no? The old bowl, see the beautiful hills over there? Can you see, like on Himalaya it will look. Okay. But the old ladies, they don't look very attractive. I don't know, see like this, ladies with the hat and with a skirt. I should not show. I don't know. Unlike Colombian ladies who don't, they and all wear a lot of makeup and all. But here these ladies don't. When you go to the old market side. So anyhow, when I walk like this, I look at a lot of things. I go meet a lot of people. Sometime it will click, sometime it won't click. Means again second round if I go to Colombia, Miami, Peru, I'll remember all this. But I want to do there Colombia and Peru and all. Peru I did not have much time roaming around. But Colombia, I have to plan something with the details I have. Now coming, I'll stop it right now after I take a turn there. So lot of dental shops. I'm surprised. So this is one area, and this is last time when I came there was a lot of shops over here. So here one university is there. I'll plan to go to all the universities. Okay, and I'll walk now today little more. Each time I go in different direction. Sometime it will be a old market direction. Sometime it will be a new market, new areas. Tomorrow I'll plan to go to that exhibition. Fee Faz, La Faz, Fee Faz. Okay, it already started 4-5 days ago. I did not go, but tomorrow I will go. On 8th, I will go to the cemetery. 8th. I'll see whether there's a permission to go to cemetery, burial cemetery, because people will come with their skulls or their family member, and they will give them cigarettes, whiskey, all those things. So there's a nice, there's one more area like this. This is Abhinandan. So this is in La Paz, Bolivia. I'm planning how I will put my stickers here. I won't put, I'll make someone to put. Okay. So let me walk a little further. It's a nice crowd. The young generation looks nice. The old generation, I don't know why. In some places, the old generation also will look nicer. Yeah, a lot of students. So something and all I keep planning. Some will click, some won't click. But that person over there in that university gave his email ID, website. I told I want to do only an English seminar. Okay. So I'm going to stop right now. And just for memories I record Abhinandan over here. So those who are watching this, there's no use watching it if you don't know, if you don't have the intelligence to ask the right question. If someone gives me opportunity to interact by giving their WhatsApp number or email ID, daily I contact. Now today I contacted 3-4 people. Okay. So more than 4 people I contacted. Now let me go that side and record little more. So sometimes I record and I don't put it on the, what to say, Facebook. But I have a focused thing what to do. See the beautiful hills that side. On top of the hills are mountains, houses. Now my focus will always be about global earning in digital asset. And Bolivia is opening up like anything. November 12th to 15th there's a big crypto exhibition conference in Santa Cruz. See how the hills look like. Tomorrow I'll plan. I thought I'll go tomorrow for 2 things. One is first I'll go to the embassy. Okay, I'll go to the embassy, and second, see people stand in line like this for the trucks to come. So I'll go to the embassy, and after that I'll go to the exhibition. And last 10, how many days finished already? 15 days finished I came. 22nd. I came on 22nd. Today is for 12 days finished already. So now I have to get into some serious action. So I just keep comparing. My mind keeps comparing. One thing, there is no much dust. Like in India, you'll have dust. Okay, anywhere you travel, because the weather will be about 18 to 20 degrees. The weather will be nice. So, all nice sitting area. But the problem is many people don't know English. If people know English, I'll be flirting more. Okay. Flirting means in my language talking. So I came still here last time, but that day it was too full rush. I'll walk today little more. There's one posh locality. Next time I want to stay in posh locality after I come from Santa Cruz. Let me find out whether how I can extend the visa. I met one lawyer yesterday, and whether I should ask him. He did not respond today when I sent him a message, but I will find out. This is a Coca-Cola building, I think. So they have nice buses. What are these buses? I've taken some card. San Pedro. That is where I'm staying. Now I'll walk a little more further. Very neat it is. So I'll walk a little more further and come back. So this is Abhinandan once again here. Oh.